So you can just come up, grab the eyes. I'm not trying to necessarily hurt the eyes. I'm just finger pads, peekaboo, like that. My favorite is to make them sort of waste their flinch. So I'll go tap, pull. So I go like that. And it works every time. Even when you know it's coming, you're like, oh my God, it's there. They always make a noise. They always, but a little tap, again, just tap, just like I'm covering your eyes, tap, pull. And that's it. It's a very easy one. If they have glasses, sometimes it still stuns them, but it can cause a bit of bridge damage to the nose. If you don't want to do that, another option, because they have glasses, for example, you're in class, is to smear. So we have the infraorbital nerve, which is underneath. Traditionally, it's affected by pushing up at a 45-degree angle to the top of the ears. My preference is always to just take the nose and to pull it in, right? If I have something against him, it's better, right? That's good, like that, to smush. But if I don't have the height and I'm much smaller, I can just wiggle, and that's a good one. Just side to side is super good. It works every time. If you add, for example, like a hit and you do this, it's hard for them to control. And I like to put them down. You can decide. You put them down, you keep them up, it's up to you. So we have eyes. Of course, that could be done thusly as well. We have nose, smoosh or smear, yeah. And then a third one related to the nose, it's all connected very close, is the natural nostril. Natural nostril is an old favorite. I pull the meat of the nose aside and I drive all of my fingers in to find the skull hole where the nostril is, right? So it's not the flesh hole, it's the skull hole. It's very hard to miss, and you get it right away. It's damaging if they have a piercing, but it is what it is.
I took mine out.
Yeah, it's good, thanks. I can't tell. So I would drive with my second hand, hit with my second hand, or rent. So these are all in the same domain. Eyes, nose smear, natural nostril. You get them all without looking. Yeah? All right, enjoy that.
Oh.
Yeah, but like when I